Sam Jones. Hi, Sam. You know, with you, that's what's great. That's all I got to do is say, hi, Sam, and I know you'll take over. Tell me about your car. It's my teacher.
How's your dad doing, Mike? Hey. I know you're mowing the ground.
Yeah.
I need a little practice, don't you, Michael?
Yeah.
I'd go over, huh?
I used to.
You're mowing it too. I think one thing you're mowing it too low. What you got? Good grass? Really good grass.
Well, I told Dad I thought it was mowing too low. That's where he had it adjusted. I said, that thing's too low. I said, you know, man, that looks like a hay field. You know, I just want to clip the top and let it fall down in the ground.
We appreciate you being here too, buddy. I got to move over to this guy. One thing I got to mention. You started wrenching on this thing when you were that tall? Because I got a picture on the internet of you about that tall, and you're not that tall, and you're getting ready to fall under. Were you teaching him how to do that?
I don't think we was doing that. We were having a lot of fun.
Jeff Jones, thanks a lot for being here. And Alan Lemon, thank you. And